Hello, Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to discuss septic tank prices. So maybe you're looking to install a new septic tank and drainage field. Maybe you're replacing an old system with a new system. So how much is it going to cost you, right, to install a new system? Well, you've got two options, two routes you can go down. Number one, you can get a company in, or number two, you can do it yourself. So which is best and which is going to cost you the least, I suppose, for getting the same amount of work done? Well, let's look at company first. So if you get a company in, right, I seriously suggest that you get 3 quotes. Now, that will tell you which company is trying to charge you more than the going rate. Number two, also because if you've got 3 companies, you get to see three different personalities, right? I'll give you an example why you need to know that. Because you need confidence, right, in the people that are going to dig your garden up and put the system in. So let's say you spent 25 years and you've got a beautiful garden. Which of those companies do you feel confident with that they're going to reseed or relawn or put your garden back to how it was before they started? So that's a good reason to get 3 quotes. Now, typically, it's going to cost you anywhere from £10,000 to £12,000 to get a company in to put a new septic tank and drainage field in. There we go. Okay, so how long will it take that company to do? Well, typically it will take them about 1 week. So the pros and the cons, well, typically the pros is that if I put the pros here and if I put the if I put the cons here, look, what are the pros? Well, you will know that that you've got a professional job done, basically, because a lot of these companies, they have to do everything now according to specific government rules and regulations. So, you know, if they've got good credentials, they've got good reputation, they've got good reviews, then the pros are that you're going to get a professional job done. The downside, the cons are, it will cost you. Right? It's going to cost you. And as we saw there, it's going to cost you, what, £10,000 to £12,000 minimum. Okay, so that's option number one. Option number two. What about if you want to do it yourself? Well, let me tell you, right, and you can call me biased if you want, but doing it yourself, for me, far outweighs getting a company in. Why? Because that's how I got into the business. I moved into a house. I was connected to someone else's septic tank system. It made me and my wife ill because I was having to pay 90 quid a week to get someone else's tank emptied. And I couldn't take it anymore after a year. As I said, me and my wife were really ill. I did a lot of research and found out how to put my own septic tank and soak away system in. So I can give you a big, massive shortcut right here. Right, so let me give you some pointers. Number one, okay, if you're going to do it yourself, right, what you need to look for on the internet is something called a septic tank and drainage field, otherwise known as soak away kit. Has that managed to fit in the screen there? Yeah. So a septic tank and soak away kit, right? Okay, so typically you'll find that a septic tank and soak away kit will come with everything that you need, right? It'll come with a septic tank. It'll come with the pipe work. It will come with the inspection chamber. And it will come with the soak away or drainage field, as it's commonly called, right? Drainage field. Now, how much will a septic tank and drainage field kit cost? Well, you'll be really surprised. It's about 11,000 quid cheaper minimum than the other way. So typically it will cost you, I think they start about 1,499 plus the VAT, right? And all that you need to do, these kits take about 2 hours to install. And all that you need to do is get a mini digger, 1.5 or a 3-ton digger, literally decide where you want to dig the hole. Dig the hole, takes you about half an hour to do. Put the tank in, the drainage field, the soak away takes, I don't know, about half an hour, 45 minutes to dig. You just get the kit, you put it straight in, connect a few little things together and cover it with soil. If you don't have the confidence to do it, it is really easy to do. There's no specialist knowledge, but if you still don't have the confidence to do it, then just get your builder or a groundsman to do it. He'll charge you a couple of £100 to do it for you. So out of the two routes, right? And as I said, call me biased, option number 2 is worth definitely considering. If you're at an impasse, right, you're at a crossroads, you don't know which way to go, seriously, just do some research on septic tank and soak away kits. And there you go. So septic tank prices. So which is the easiest to put in? Which is the best way? Which is the best route to go down? Which is the cheapest route to go down, right? Well, if you want to get a total peace of mind, right, and money's no object, then obviously go for number 1. Get a company in, get 3 quotes and pay them 10, 12, 15,000 quid to put a system in for you. Conversely, right, if you do a bit of research, you'll find that you can get the same job done to the same standard, if not better, right, by yourself or a builder, by putting a septic tank and soak away kit in, or a septic tank and drainage field kit. As I said, they're about 10, 11,000 pound cheaper, and they only take a couple of hours to install. So I've done that video simply because if you're at that situation where I want to put a new system in, how do I do it? How much is it going to cost? Well, those are 2 options that I seriously consider you look into, which will put you or point you in the right direction. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or you can even go onto Google and type in Septic Tank TV. That's my TV channel. It's free. There's loads of free videos and advice like this on there. And if you subscribe, right, if you subscribe to Septic Tank TV, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soak away kit. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. You take care, you stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.